Hello ladies, I'm Ruchita and I welcome you to FOMO, Passion on My Own. Now some of you ladies had asked me to do a video on tips to lose weight. While I do believe that there are no shortcuts to losing weight and you have to work for it, there are certain things that definitely help in the process. Watch on to know more. Water cleanses your body of the toxins in the form of urine. That's why you should intake more water. Now different bodies have different water requirements. A simple way to find out how many liters of water your body needs is by dividing your weight with 20. For example, if you weigh 60 kilos, divide it by 20 and that gives you 3 liters. That means you should intake minimum 3 liters of water every day. Opt for green tea instead of your regular cup of tea or coffee. Green tea has less calories, it boosts your metabolism and it's rich in antioxidants. So the advantages are many. Also, you can add a little bit of ginger to your green tea to give it a little flavor and it will also help improve your digestion, but no milk or sugar in this tea. I'm sure you must have heard of this. Mix a spoon of lime juice and half a spoon of honey to hot or lukewarm water. Now drink this every day in the morning on an empty stomach to aid weight loss. Cinnamon aids weight loss as it manages the blood sugar level, and blood sugar has a direct impact on the weight as it affects how energetic and hungry you are. Place 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 cinnamon stick in 8 ounces of boiling water. Let it sit for about 15 minutes before straining. Now drink this once or twice a day. Ginseng not only acts as a stimulant to speed up your sluggish metabolism, but it also fights fatigue and boosts energy levels. There's also a tentative evidence that ginseng manages blood sugar level, which has an effect on your appetite and energy levels. You will need 1 teaspoon of American or Korean ginseng. Chop the root out and measure out 1 teaspoon per cup of water. Allow the water to boil and pour it on the ginseng and let it steep through for about 5 to 9 minutes. Strain it, add lime or honey and have it once or twice a day. You can fight stress by ingesting more sage, which has a calming effect on both your body and mind. Making yourself a calming sage tea or adding more sage to the dishes that you cook can be a great way to combat stress levels. Pour a cup of boiling water over fresh sage or 2 teaspoons of dried sage and let it steep through for about 4 to 5 minutes. Strain it and add lime to it for flavor and drink it once or twice a day. The probiotics in yogurt do wonders for the digestive tract, and it also helps maintain a healthy balance of gut flora that optimizes digestion and helps in the breakdown of certain substances. You can add a little bit of honey if you have a little bit of sweet tooth. Now for optimum weight loss awesomeness, try low-fat yogurt. You can eat half of 1 cup of yogurt, mix it with a little bit of honey to give it a little flavor, or also add fruits or oats to give it variety. Black pepper interferes with the genes that controls the generation of fat cells, and it also reduces the fat levels in the bloodstream, and it also enhances the absorption of nutrients from our daily food. Lime, on the other hand, aids digestion, and it also helps the gastrointestinal tract by breaking down certain foods. Add half a juice of lime to water and sprinkle some black pepper on it. Have this once daily after a meal. Having a routine is one of the top 3 most important things you need to do to lose weight, along with exercise and diet. If you don't follow a strict routine, you won't see the results and you'll be discouraged. Chewing gum is a great way to trick your brain and your stomach into thinking that it's getting more than it is. Next time you feel the need for munching, pop in a piece of sugar-free gum instead. An apple a day keeps the weight at bay. Apple contains fiber, which curbs the appetite, and it also regulates blood sugar level, which affects your appetite and energy levels. Eat 1 or 2 apples a day and leave the skin on because it contains more fiber. Your brain lags behind your stomach by roughly about 20 minutes, so it's not the best thing to rely on for letting you know that you're full. To avoid overeating, slow down your eating by putting down your fork or spoon in between bites. This can really help in managing your weight. So ladies, that's it from me. Hope you found these tips helpful. If you've liked this video, share it with your friends. And for more such videos, subscribe to FOMO, Passion on My Own. Bye.